Welcome to LearnWire. In this video, we're going to be looking at Nichesss or Nichesss or Nichesss, however you want to pronounce that. I say niche, so Nichesss, Nichesss. In their logo, they have a couple dollar signs, money signs right here. But when they spell it out in text, it looks like it's with just 3 S's. So kind of some cool branding, I would say. And what you're going to see with this now, the software has been on Appsumo for about a year. I have not tried it myself, but I have seen other reviews and I kind of have an idea of what it looked like in the beginning and then what it looks like now. We're going to be logging in. I already have an account, so we're going to go check out the tool in just a second. We come down here just to look at what you get in this deal. It has on average 5 stars or 5 tacos, right? 237 reviews. So people seem to really like this tool, and you can do social media, AI generated content with it. You can do pretty much almost any kind of AI generation that you need. And recently they have created a long form editor as well. That was probably one of the biggest drawbacks that they did not have compared to a lot of the other AI softwares. You can see Malcolm is the creator, and he's a coder. So what's unique about him is that he is an actual software coder, and then he decided to make this software and launch it himself. So that's pretty cool. I believe he's a one-man show, which makes this project unique as well. And you can see that he posted this January 8th of 2021. So it's been over a year now. And people, even just a month ago, are still leaving five tacos on this review, saying that they have a lot of other GPT-3 AI writers, and they really like this one. So we're going to jump in. If you want to buy this at any point, obviously you can go and click that first link below. It'll take you straight to this page, Appsumo. It is an affiliate link. It does help out the channel LearnWire for me to bring more reviews like this to you. So you can come and pick this up for $59 lifetime deal, and I believe it's just unlimited. So that's one of the things that's going to separate this from most of the other AI offers, is that this is a lifetime access to it, and you get unlimited tokens. You're going to get unlimited content. So that's really, really cool. It's a really good price too. So we're going to go check this out, but let's see who won the drawing from yesterday's video. So we had long form content creation. I'm going to go grab that link, and then we're going to fetch this. So it's loaded 14 unique comments. And Ty Whale, you are today's winner. Ty Whale, and you also gave me a recommend or suggested rank IQ versus phrase. I'm getting a lot of people asking to do a review on phrase, which I will get to, but I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I did go and try to sign up yesterday. You do have to pay for a trial, and so I will get to that soon. And while I have my trial, I'll probably have to do several different comparison videos, because phrase does seem to come up a lot. I believe they did launch on Appsumo, but they have really taken off, and they are one of the top names that comes to mind with any kind of surfer SEO alternative. So yeah, I will get to that. Thank you for the suggestion. So Ty Will, you are today's winner. All you have to do is just go to learnwirereviews@gmail.com. Email me from the account that you just made that comment on, right? And I will send you the course. So congrats to you. So let's move on to Nichesss review. So we're inside here. I've done a couple tests real quick just so I can kind of get my bearings on the software. This is what the interface looks like. Now, when you pick up, if you already have a code, if you want to go and buy it, just click that link below, go pick up the code, even if you have a trial account or something like that, because they make it really easy over here. You can just come over here and you can enter in the code that they give you in your current account, and it'll upgrade it to the lifetime deal. So that's really cool. I like that. Not all of the softwares are integrated like that, and I really think that that's really cool. So you don't have to sign up for new accounts and stuff. It takes the guesswork and the confusion out of that, right? Because some people will get a trial first before they actually purchase. So We're going to look over here, and just the initial impressions of the interface is it's clean. It's kind of cartoonish. So it, you either like it or you don't. I think that when you come in here, you're either going to be impressed or you're going to be kind of like, it's kind of weird looking. So it's just kind of like what your style is. I kind of like this cartoonish, style. This kind of it's just real, kind of generic cartoon. I don't really know how to explain it, but with just the colors, no fancy font, nothing like that. It's just, you get what you get right here, and I like that. So, immediately what I see is, well, how many did I count? I counted 58 total modules. They're saying 56 right here. So we'll go with what they say. So 56 modules. And I know that they did not have that when they first started out. There was probably 10 modules. So he has gone to work. He has worked this last year on just keeping up with all the other AI generators out there, right? And you get requests. Now, one of the first things that he kind of screams at you is, need something we don't have? Create a new tool. You can click on this. Let's just see if we click on that, what happens. You can come over here. Okay, well, because I have the trial plan right now. But you can come in here and actually request for Malcolm to go and create a module for you if they don't have it, and it makes sense, right? So that's really, really cool. I like that he's involved with the creative process, the roadmap. He's in full control. Excuse me, because he is the coder. He knows how to code all this stuff, right? So he doesn't have to wait for months for something to be developed. He can actually develop it himself. So that's one of the cool things. Okay, I'm going to jump in right here real quick. I finished the entire review and I don't have access to the long form editor, but when I was done with the review, I wanted to go and make sure I didn't leave anything out of the review or leave any information out. So I am going over here and doing some research on if somebody else has shown the long form editor. And this gentleman did a review 5 or 6 months ago about the long form editor, which just came out. And I'm going to push play real quick. We can kind of look at it real fast together.
And then once you've written something, you can highlight it and then click on generate text and then click on autocomplete generic. Okay, it generated sensitive text that time, so that's unfortunate. We'll just try that one more time. All right, so if it does this multiple times, if it does sensitive text multiple times, then usually what I do is I stop giving it the same input because maybe there's something about the input that's causing this to happen. So instead, I'm going to copy this, and this was my plan anyways. I wasn't planning to do the entire thing in here. I'm also going to use other niche tools. So I'm going to start with the.
So as you can see, the long form editor has a long ways to go. The guy couldn't even get an intro sentence written out of the long form editor. I went through and watched, more of this. You've got to go through all these different steps. They're kind of long-winded. The steps in comparison to, Jarvis, Word AI, Writer, all those different tools that just you can speed through an article very quickly. And so he's back in here writing, and you can just see, minutes are going by. It's not producing a ton of content. He's having to write most of this content manually after watching this. So it produces about that much content, and then he's got to write. So and then you can see there's no features on the left side. There's no features on the right. So I can clearly indicate right here and just kind of come up with a conclusion based on what I'm seeing here. Now, this is not a good long form editor. So, I wanted to include this in my review because, that's what I want. I want transparency and honest reviews for you guys. I don't want to just do reviews and tell you guys, go buy this product. I want to tell you honestly if it's a good product. Now, I'm not knocking Nichesss. It has five stars and 200 something reviews. So people are using it for what it is intended for, and it's doing a great job for them. But as far as probably one of their latest modules that they came up with was the long form editor, and they've got a long ways to go. It's just not up there with a lot of the other AI long form editors that I've seen this year. This is just not, this is one of the weakest long form editors that I have seen. So I just wanted to include this in my review, and I'm going to actually put this about a quarter way through the review, so you guys get to see this, because I know that this is one of the most interesting parts that you guys are going to be interested in. So like I said, watch the rest of the review because I go into all the short module, the short form content modules, which I think are really good inside of Nichesss. So I'm not saying Nichesss is not a good tool, but I am saying that it's not the best long form editor. When you invest in this tool, you're investing in somebody that can actually has full control over their tool and knows what they're doing. So that is, I would say, a plus. And so he probably can launch things a lot quicker. Now we go to the content tools. You can see that they're all sorted by the big parent right here. So like if we go to questions, there's a fact answer question. There's image posts, feedback. That's really cool. There's product hunt. So product hunt title and description. So very specific for people that are launching softwares and products, and like even as specific as product hunt, which is super cool. There's a Reddit title and post ideas. YouTube, I think that they have some really good YouTube tools in here. So keywords and video titles, opening lines for your YouTube video, a YouTube video outline. That's really cool. And then YouTube random video ideas, and then emails. We're going to go look at emails because I had written an email a minute ago and it came out really, really good. So I was really, really pleased with what it came out with. I'll go show you what it wrote for us. So that's really neat. I like that it has 4 email modules there. And, you know, if you're going to be writing emails and building a list, these will come in handy. And then you have products, product descriptions, paragraphs, how to use. So this is really cool. I'd be interested in using that for one of my e-commerce stores. Career network outreaching, tell us something about the person and what you want from them, and we'll write a good message to get the conversation started. So some type of cold email, or if you're going to reach out and try to, let's say you're a blog writer or article writer and you're reaching out with cold email, maybe this would help break the ice. Pinterest type posts and sales. Look at all these different sales. Got the classic sales, pain, agitate, and solve, feature to benefit, sales problem, promise, proof, and proposal. That's new. I haven't seen that one in a lot of the tools. Sales before, after bridge, and the classic ADA, which is really cool. And then code. So SQL sentence to SQL query turns a sentence into an SQL query. That is insane. We won't test that, but I'm sure that has something to do with him being an expert coder. That is really neat right there, but I won't be showing that in this video because it won't really apply to anybody, but that is never seen that before in any other AI tool. So SEO title tags, descriptions, meta keywords, books, book descriptions, book titles, poetry. It'll do poetry, love poem intro, poetry poem intro by topic. Now courses, if you do courses, which I do, course descriptions, course modules list, and course titles, real estate stuff, and dialogues. This one, so he has some stuff in here that I've never seen on any other AI, so I'll give him credit for that. That's pretty cool. We have the dialogue, 2 people talking, a scenario where 2 people are talking about a given topic. So really good stuff. Let's go in and for one, under the email, let's see, under emails, I went to email subject and body newsletter, right? So I went to that and clicked on it, but I'm going to go ahead and just open that one up right now and show you what it came up with. We wrote, and we're going to do another one together, but I just want to show you what it came up with. It says, right here, Nick, you would just, anything in brackets is where you're going, it's going to kind of prompt you to update. Down here, there's brackets right here, so you're going to update that as well. So let's just say, Nick, check out the new small YouTube Big Profits course. That's actually one of my courses I sell on another channel. Hey, Nick, just a quick note to point out that we're making some quick changes to the Small YouTube Big Profits course, my best-selling video training course that helps you become a successful YouTube entrepreneur. You'll learn my step-by-step approach to creating and monetizing your own channel. Full details at, then there's the URL. So it's a quick email. You want to be quick in your emails anyways. It's just enough to kind of it's just enough to capture the interest and hopefully get some clicks back to wherever your link is, right? That's cool. And then we have another one over here, 50% off the small YouTube profits course. Because if you're running a sale, and I think I told it that we're running a sale. Hey, Nick, hope you're doing well. I just launched a brand new course called Small YouTube Big Profits. This course will walk you through how to create a profitable YouTube channel. When you join today, you'll get 50% off with the code. And then you can put in the coupon code, right? I'd love to get your feedback on the course. Thanks, David. We've launched our course on our new Small YouTube Big Profits course. And to celebrate, we're offering a best price yet, $100 off the full price. So you can see that these are really good emails that it wrote for us. So I'm very impressed with the email creator. You can quickly get to another tool right here. By just going like that, just going over here to the left, right? If we wanted to add more, if we wanted to copy this, we could just go push copy right here and just copy and go paste that into our autoresponder or our newsletter. We can edit this right from here. We can translate it into another language. I can do a plagiarism check real quick. And I guess, yep, it says it passed. So they checked against more than 16 billion web pages. So it has a built-in plagiarism checker. That is neat as well. And then you can come over here. You can actually export. If you select this, it means that it's selecting all this text. So you can select all these. If you wanted to export these and then go and export it as a doc file, text, CSV, and you can include headings. So I like it. There's a lot of options that you can do. So if we're going to come through here, and I'm going to go to the email subject and body newsletter one more time. So this is what shows you what I put in here. I put in Small YouTube Big Profits course. I put in a keyword to describe your business, YouTube. I put in a new course sale, 50% off. So I'm the one that said 50% off, where it's talking about 50% off right there, 50% off right there. And it took just this text right here and created this, which is super cool. I think it did a really good job. So if we do a blog post, let's do a blog, listicle items, listicle style, post titles, listicle items. Okay. So we're going to go with the listicle items, and then I'm going to go and just get a keyword from Rank IQ. Let's see here. So how to make money posting ads on social media. This is a post I might be writing. So we'll just go and test it in this tool, right? So there's the blog name, keywords related to your blog or business. So let's just say make money online, social media, something like that. And then right here. So here is where you can put in what your blog talks about. So let's see right here. I'm going to say a website that teaches okay, so I just typed in kind of a summary of the blog, and then so that's the blog. Oh, the blog name, I guess I'm going to put realistic pay as my blog name, and then the post title is going to be that. So now let's go and push the get text over here. So then this little prompt comes up here, says that they're writing the content, and we're live right now. We'll see how fast. So that's really fast. And let's go and look at what it come up with. So, and it's going to come up with this one, came up with 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see where it actually, gives you control over how much it's going to come up with. I believe if we create the generate text again, it's just going to go ahead and create more. So let's look at this. Make money posting ads on social media, build a business online, work from home full time, have the ultimate lifestyle, build a blog or website, make money blogging, work from home part-time. Not really sure about that one. There are many websites that you can use to post ads for free and make money. You can post ads for free on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. You can also make money selling products, selling your videos. Okay, when you're posting ads, you will reach a lot of people. Start posting ads on social media today. Make money posting ads. So this one was better. I would like that one better. The first step to making money online. How to make money posting ads on social media. Okay. So it's better than this listicle that it's giving us is better than a lot of tools that I've seen. So this is probably kind of a tricky topic, but I would intermix some of these and I would say I probably could get about 6 to 10 out of here that I could actually use. Specifically, it's not telling us, maybe different methods. Like right here, you could do Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. So this one right here was good because it gives us like 4 different listicle topics. So it's pretty good. And what you could do is just copy this. You can actually just copy it from there, or you can come over here and push the copy button and then put it into a notepad or something like that. Okay. So we're going to go and let's just say we were going to use this one right here. So we'll demonstrate copy, and I'm just going to open up a new notepad and put that in right there. So that's kind of like an outline. I'll move that over a little bit. Okay, perfect. It does shrink down, which is nice. To fit with the page, it shrinks down nicely, so that's really nice. And then we could come over here and go to blog title generator. We kind of already have our title. We're going to go with blog post intro. So we'll go to the intros, and then we have, let's see, the blog category, what the blog is about, and the title of the post. And so let's go see. We don't have to fill anything out. I like how it moves all that over for us because we're on the same topic and everything. So I'll say generate text. It's going to go out there and generate some text for us. And all right, so we're going to look at what it produced. So this first one, if you want to make money on the internet, you need to have a plan. Your plan will not only help you make money online, but it will also help you choose the right products and companies to work with, the right strategies to promote your products, and the right system to set up to make money online. And then this other one, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest are all great ways to earn money, but they also take a lot of time. You spend a lot of time creating and posting content. So you could use one of these. It didn't get too specific into how to make money posting ads. But you could come over here and you could use this and just push copy, right? And then what I would do is just take this, and this is just a nice way to kind of have full control over what's going on in your article, right? So then you could just grab this next part right here. Okay. So that's your intro. And then let's just say we're going to take this topic right here. We would push copy, and there's one over here we would look at. It's like an expander tool. Where is that? So there's a search tool up here. I'm going to say expand. So there's a content expander. I'm going to click on it, content expander right here. It opens up right away. And you can see the interface. It kind of looks different as far as the color and stuff, but it's the same interface that you're going to get in like Word Hero, even in Jarvis, any of those tools, Pepper Type. It's very similar. You're just going to fill out a couple things. And then we have this blog category, content you wish to expand. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in right there and then push get text. Now it's going to go and write our text for us. Let's see what it comes out with. We're looking at, there are many websites that you can use to post ads for free and make money online. So it is important to be aware that there are many websites. However, there are also, so it kind of stops right there. So, you could use this and then just keep writing. So you would just grab this content right over here, and then we would put this under here, right? And then we would just keep moving on to number 2. One thing, you can't really control how much is being produced right here. And so, I'd like to see more text generated than just that. So I'm going to go ahead and just push get text again. Let's see what it comes out with. So pretty, just like 2 sentences. In this case, 1 full sentence and then not even a complete sentence after that. So I'm not as impressed with this tool right here. And so we'll come back. Let's go back and open up full screen again. And then I'm going to go, how do we get out of here? There's nothing obvious on how to just get out of this area right here. So I think maybe it's because I need to, just click on the icon up here and it'll take us to the home screen. Okay. So it will give you some basic information, how many content plans you have going on, long form docs, biz niche reports. So there's some other things that we can look at in the tool. So the long form doc, I don't have access to. If I go to here, it's going to say that I need to pay. Now I have like 20 AI writing tools, and there's nothing right now that's blowing my mind about Nichesss. Just being honest with you, that I need to go and buy this software. So I'm not going to go and get that. The long form editor is going to look similar to what Writer it kind of has. It's going to have options on the left side, and then on the right side you're going to be able to type. So I want to go and check out and see what this biz niche reports are. So this is what kind of got this started and why this was such a cool tool to begin with. So we're going to add new, and there's all kinds of different things. We have a hobby quiz. So these are quizzes. Choose a quiz to get started. So we're going to do a problem quiz. Okay. So I'm going to click on this one. And then it opens up the screen over here. So this is some stuff that you're not going to get in any other AI tool as well. So this is something that's going to, if this turns out to be great, this would separate this from other AI tools. So what is a problem people have? Okay, so we put in the problem, it fills that out. Now choose some businesses. So we could choose this. So I'm going to say courses, and I'm going to say marketplace membership sites. That looks cool. And start a membership site for a group of people. Software, YouTube. That's cool. We're going to go with that as well. Okay, so we have those. So save quiz and generate ideas. So we selected some stuff there, and now it's going to come through here. Subreddits, none added. Not sure what that is. Business types, courses, memberships, and YouTube status ready, report ready. So it comes up with a report for us, and I'm going to say view report. Let's go see what this is. So a course where they will learn how to make money online. So for this niche, many people are searching every single day for how to make money online, but still struggle to find a real way to make money online. Here are some business ideas involving courses. So a course where they will learn how to make money online, a course where the instructor teaches the basic ways to make money on the internet, a course where the instructor teaches an easy way to earn money. They learn how to make money online. So, interesting. And a course where the instructor will teach people how to make money online. So course tips. Here are some tips that can help you increase your odds of success when launching a course around the theme many people. Okay, so I probably put too much stuff in there. I just need to say making money online probably. So I put way too much information in there because that's really not a niche. Monetizing by charging monthly access to the course or charging a one-time fee. Differentiate by teaching something easier or more in depth than competitors. Instead of having one course, have many smaller focused courses. That's kind of cool. Right. I really like that because if you think about it, I sell courses as well. And there are people out there that just build one course and they really, advertise for it. It's usually a big ticket course starting at $100 or up to $1,000 just to get in the course. But this is kind of saying you could take a different spin on that. It's giving you an idea of instead of having one large course charging a lot, you could have several smaller, 1 hour courses like that last course, like the course that I launched. My last one was one of my shortest courses ever. It's an hour long, 7 videos. But you could come out with far more, just one topic, take one topic, make a small module, 5 to 10 videos, and then charge people $10 to $20 for that course. Focused courses, very focused courses, and then you get people that are going to keep signing up and buying your courses because they like the way you teach and they like the topics. So that's really cool. I like that it gave that idea. So that's with courses. Then I guess you can upload an image right here too. And then there is membership sites. So there'd be an online community where they can show their success stories, ask for help and give tips. They can share their experience and help each other. They can exchange money. So what this is kind of doing is giving all these bullet points of what people will get if they join your membership site, right? They provide suggestions and ideas. So membership sites And then you can monetize by charging monthly fee access for your membership site, and then differentiate by making it unique, safe space for people of this niche to interact. YouTube, and you can look at all that and stuff as well. I won't read all that. By providing your unique take on a certain topic, by getting ad revenue, brand deals. Okay. So 5-year trends, you could actually put this in here. So we'll just say, make money online. Your charts will appear here once you describe what you see. Any takeaways from the charts? Okay. Make money online, save changes. And then it automatically goes out there and gives you like a trend of where make money online is right here. So it's pulling in some data. So you're able to kind of research a niche, which is really cool. I'm not sure what this is. Interesting. Okay. So I'm going to go back now. I could continue going through all these tools, but we just don't have time. I showed you the email. I was very impressed with, email subjects. And all these short content modules, I think, work really well with Nichesss. And you're getting unlimited content with this tool, and you're getting a developer that a CEO of the company that's also the coder. So that's very unique as well. So overall, really good tool. Being honest, I don't want to just tell you guys to go out and buy every tool in the book. If you don't have an AI writing tool and you want unlimited credits and you want a good price at $59, then I think Nichesss could be great for you. It has almost pretty much everything. It does have everything that you would need in an AI writer. I'd have to do more testing to see what the quality is. I'd also have to get access to the long form content, but I'm just not going to, I don't need that, right? Because I don't see anything in here. So that's where the caveat is that if you have Word AI or you have Writer or you have some other tools, I'm not seeing anything in here that it blows those other tools away. And so, that's kind of like where I'm going to wrap that up, is that this is a good tool. You can get it if you need an AI writer and you haven't picked one yet, or maybe you only have one or two and you like some of the other features that this one does. This one has a lot of modules. The places where this has the edge over other ones is that he has creative modules in here that I haven't seen on any other AI writer. So, that would be alone be a reason that I would pick this up, is that some of these, in here, I'd say probably 25% of these I have not seen, like this course descriptions, course modules list. That if you're a course creator, that is huge. Book titles, all those ones are really, really good. It has the classic Facebook ads, Google ads, all that, but then the network outreaching, and it has the Pinterest, post right there, the poetry, all those are the product hunt over here. So all those would be reasons why I would pick up the tool. But if you have a bunch of tools, you have Word AI, you have Pepper Type, you have Writer, then you probably don't need this tool. So I hope that makes sense. I'm just trying to steer you guys in the right direction, because I know I'm going to get these questions like this one versus this one. And, I can't really speak to the long form editor. I don't know if it's going to have a button that says write more. If it does, then this tool would just be amazing. So that concludes my review on Nichesss. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to leave a comment below. If you want a chance to win how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software, it sells for $59. But I'm giving it away in each video through the month of January, to a lucky winner. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment below in this video. All right. I will see you in the next video.